Hi, I am Ankit Kumar and I am from Devghar, Jharkhand. I have completed my matriculation and intermediate from Devghar only, and currently I am pursuing BTech in Electronic and Communication uh, at Birla Institute of Technology, Mesra, Ranchi. Uh, I love uh, doing coding and listening music during my free time. Now, the second question is the challenges that I am facing right now. The first one is I can understand everyone what someone is saying to me, but I am not able to speak in a way, in a fluent way. First problem is with me like that, and the second one is I can speak with a person for 2 3 minutes, but if I have to speak in front of 2 3 person like in a group discussion, I can not able to uh, speak much more. The second problem is this, and the third problem with me is I have a little set of vocabulary. Mm, I have not much vocabulary to express, or if I have to express something, then I usually forget that particular vocabulary of that word, and that's all the challenges I am facing right now. So yeah, it's true that it affect my confidence, and I really struggle uh, while I was not knowing anything about this. Uh, in when I started my first year, when I was in first year, I was not aware of that in an interview we only require to, or we only need to talk in English. But as the year as year passes away, I got to know that in an interview we only have to speak in English. Then it really, that time I was like, how I will manage. I get uh, like and I it also affect my confidence, that it also reduce my confidence, that I was not able to participate in any events, not any event, but some particular event which required a good communication skill. So yeah, it affect my um, first or life so far. And in my fourth semester, we have given a task that we have to present a topic, or give a presentation on a topic, and we have to prepare for that. That time the presentation was went good, but I was not very confident that day. Uh, that day I really realized that I need to learn this language. That's yeah. So I struggle so much. I have tried, when I was in my fourth semester, we have given a task to prepare a presentation for a topic, and we have to present in front of all the class. But that day my performance was good, but not up to the mark, related to other all the classmates. So that day I decided that um, I have to learn this language, because it not only helped me in my interview, but in every field. Like if you go somewhere, someday is like sometime, if you will go for the job or something else for outside your country, then it will somehow someday you will face some problem related to this. So I decided that I have to learn. And first I started like watching some grammar topic on the YouTube. I did this thing for a month, but after a month, after learning the grammar topic a month, like I was not in that position that I was not practicing that language. I was only learning the grammar part. And that day I came to know, or got the point that without practicing it will not possible to master this language. So that day I like found a friend that are also in that situation what I was on that day. uh, we have decided that we had decided that we build or we create a group. And we had created that group. And we were practicing on that group. We pick a topic, and we were discussing about that topic. But somehow it benefit me, but not very well, because we both were learning that time. Okay, no one was there who correct our mistake, or this way it helps me, but not so much. So I will try to like gain more knowledge from this wonderful resource that was given by sir. And I will try to like follow all the instructions. And will try to complete all the tasks in that particular period. And I am sure that if I will do that, the result will automatically reflect in my case. So yeah.